I choose question 6. 25% of trees in a forest have several leaf damage from air pollution. 3 trees are selected at random. Calculate the probability that at one moment 2 of the selected trees have a several leaf damage. Say 2 Roman at least one has several leaf damage. For question B, if 50 trees are selected, calculate the probability that more than 25 trees do not have several leaf damage. For the first questions, 2 of the selected trees have several leaf damage. N is the total from trees that have been selected. P is the number of trees have leaf damage. Q we get from 1 minus P, which is 1 minus 0.25 equal to 0.75. So for the question, we use a formula NCX P power of x Q power of n minus x. So in the equations, we have x is 2 because in the question, they said 2 of the 3 that selected have several leaf damage. So x equal to 2. So we use the formula that given and we replace with C. Replace with 3. C we stay with C. X we replace with 2. P we replace with 0.25. X we replace with 2. Q we replace with 0.75. And we replace with 3. And x we replace with 2. For 3C2 we get 3 and 3 minus 2 we got 1. So we multiply 3 with 0.25 power of 2 and multiply 0.75 power of 1. So for the final answer we get 0.1406. For the second question, at least one have a several leaf damage. So it said that from the tree, at least we have one have several leaf damage. It doesn't matter if 1 or 2 or 3, but at least one. So our x is more than equal to 1. So x shall be 3 is n and 0.25 is from P. So we must add F1 at plus F2 plus F3. So we use the previous formula 3C1 because our x is 1 multiply with 0.25 or power of 1 and multiply 0.75 power of 2 and then we plus with F2. So 3C2 multiply 0.25 power of 2 multiply with 0.75 power of 1 and we add with 3C2 3C3 multiply with 0.25 power of 3 and multiply with 0.75 power of 0. So we get 0.219 plus with 0.1406 plus with 0.0156. So the final answer is 0.5781. For the last question, if 50 trees are selected, calculate the probability that more than 35 trees do not have severe leaf damage. So, and if we get a total from 50 trees are selected, 50, P is 0.75 because in the question we does not find the do not have several leaf damage. So we take from the Q in previous question, so 0.75. So Q in this question is 1 minus 0.75. We take from the P and equal to 0.25. For MP, we get 37.5 after we multiply and with P. MPQ, we get 9.37 after we multiply N with P and with Q. So in the question, they said that more than 35 trees do not have several leaf damage. So our x is x more than 35. So and thirdly, N 37.5 we get from MP, 9.35 we got from MPQ. So Px more than 35 equal to Px more than 35 plus 0.5. Why plus with 0.5? Because x more than 35. So our answer is x more than 35.5. So after that, x more than 35.5, we do the z more than 35.5 minus the 37.5 we get from MP square root with 9.35, and we get from MP cube. So our answer is z more than negative 0.5